The sun doesn't rush to rise, and yet every morning it lights the world just in time. Feel that light beginning to touch you too. You don't need to hurry into your day. You only need to awaken with presence. There's strength in this gentle beginning. In the next 10 minutes, this morning meditation will open your calm energy, release the weight of rushing, and return you to the natural rhythm of peaceful strength within. Take a breath and let this be your pause before the day. Close your eyes. Feel the gentle light behind your eyelids, and breathe as if the sun itself were breathing with you. You're not alone in this moment. Peace is arriving with the dawn. Now bring your attention gently to your breath. Take a moment here. Let your breath come to you. No need to change it yet. Just notice. Notice how air enters cool and soft through your nose, and how it leaves warm, calm through your mouth. Let this rhythm slow you down. Inhale. Feel your chest rise, your ribs expanding like the morning sky. Exhale. Let your shoulders drop, your body melt into the moment. Again, a slow inhale, drawing in new energy, new light, new clarity. And exhale, releasing everything that doesn't belong to your morning. Each breath is a quiet reset. Each exhale clears space inside you for peace to return. And within every pause between, notice the stillness that's already here. You don't have to chase the day, just welcome it. This is your mindful breathing, your morning meditation in motion. Breath by breath, you're coming home to stillness, to that gentle rhythm that life has always known. Now take one more deep inhale. And as you exhale, feel yourself fully here. Awake, calm, grounded in this new beginning. Stay with this calm. It will guide you through the next moments. Bring your awareness gently into your body. Feel the quiet weight of this moment, the support beneath you, holding grounding safe. Start at your shoulders. Allow them to drop a little, as if releasing a small burden you no longer need to carry. Let that wave of softness move down your arms, through your hands, all the way to your fingertips. Now your neck, relax it. Unclench your jaw. Let your tongue rest lightly behind your teeth, your face, your eyes, your forehead all softening like morning mist. Move your attention slowly down your spine, each vertebra unwinding, each muscle loosening with every exhale. Your legs grow heavy now, your feet anchored gently to the earth beneath you. There's nothing to fix, nothing to reach for. Your body already remembers how to return to balance. Just listen and let each breath remind you that peace begins inside you. Now that your body feels light and calm, bring your attention gently to your heart. Imagine a soft golden light glowing there. Quiet, steady, alive. This light is your gratitude, the warmth of simply being here, breathing, existing in this moment. Think of one thing you're grateful for this morning. It might be something small, the way sunlight touches your face, the sound of life slowly waking outside, or simply this calm space you've given yourself. As you breathe in, feel that golden light expand, growing brighter with every inhale. As you exhale, let it flow beyond your body, reaching the space around you, the people you love, and the quiet corners of the world you move through today. Gratitude softens the edges of the mind. It reminds you that peace is never far, not in what you chase, but in what you already hold inside. Stay here for a moment, breathing, glowing, grateful. Take another slow, deep breath in. And as you exhale, feel your heart open steady and clear. Now gently repeat these words in your mind. I am calm. I am centered. I am open to the good this day brings. Let each phrase ripple softly through you from your heart to your breath, to every cell of your being. With every inhale, you invite light and clarity into your body. With every exhale, you release what no longer belongs: doubt, tension, fear. Repeat again. I am grounded in peace. I trust the flow of this day. I move with ease and grace. These are not just words. They are gentle seeds being planted in your mind. And as you breathe, they begin to take root, steady, strong, unshakable. If you'd like to deepen this calm, continue with our next morning meditation, a soft journey to clarity and purpose. You are ready for the day ahead, anchored in calm, guided by peace, and open to everything beautiful waiting for you. Take one last, slow, deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel your whole body settle into stillness. Notice the calm that now lives inside you, steady, radiant, alive. You've given yourself this moment of peace, and it's now part of you. Carry this calm energy with you into the rest of your day, into your words, your choices, your quiet pauses. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes and return to your morning centered, clear, renewed. If this meditation brought you peace, continue your journey with the next morning meditation. A gentle space to deepen your calm and awaken quiet purpose for your day. Have a beautiful, peaceful morning ahead.